Dear students, in this video we will see positive thinking part 3 signs of negatives. Part 1 and part 2 previous videos please see. Now we will see the part 3 signs of negatives. Sixth sign is talking on more problems. Seventh sign is jealousy. Eighth sign is blaming others. Ninth sign is addictions to negative thoughts. 10th sign is impatience. Sixth sign is talking on more problems. Some people want to show the world how much they are doing, how much they are suffering. They are only harming themselves. We are on earth to coexist, not to handle everything on ourselves. This need to prove that we can handle things on ourselves as our ego is talking within us. It is unnatural. No one expects you to be a superman. Change yourself. Talk your problem only to God. Only to God in your heart. God will handle our problems and trust positively in any situation, any negative situations. It's okay. Trust only God. He will handle the situations. God will give blissful life. Seventh sign is jealousy. One of the things that pushing down the people of happiness is jealousy. When you constantly compare your journey with someone else, it holds you back only. Be content with your gifts and also learn to derive joy and inspirations from the accomplishment of others. Thank God for all that you have and learn the art of contentment. Eighth sign is blaming others. Always look within yourself and you will recognize the source of your pain. So, get to the root of the pain. Do not focus on others' fault. Okay? Correct the imbalance within you. Improve yourself first and then try to help others to change. Ninth sign is addictions to negative thoughts. Over time, people who are constantly negative, they will create problems and drama. In many cases, self-pity and depressions become habits. They start small but are allowed to escalate into something huge. 10th sign is impatience. When you learn to develop patience, you will be more at peace. Impatience put you off balance. Off balance means you can't handle anything correctly. Timing is in God's hand, and when you are impatient, you are dictating terms to God. You are asking God to put His plan aside and put yours into motion. Your plan is always limited. God's plan is infinity. Please wait for God's plan and God's gift. Please pray to God to bless positive thinking in all situations. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.